Hello, my name is Trust, and I will be giving you a monologue out of The Color Purple. You told Hoppo to beat me? All my life I had to fight. I had to fight my daddy. I had to fight my uncle. I had to fight my brothers. But I never thought I had to fight in my own house. I loved Hoppo. God knows I do. But I kill him dead before I let him beat me. Now, do you want a dead son-in-law, Miss Seeley? Did you keep on advising him like you're doing? You ought to bash Mister's head in and think about heaven later. Thank you for watching.